Hello students, welcome to my channel Somalini's Bio World. Today I am going to discuss about the technique of hemodialysis or simply dialysis. So, what is hemodialysis? Hemo means blood and dialysis. So, what is the process of hemodialysis? It is a technique that helps in the removal of nitrogenous waste like urea from the blood of a patient. And for this technique, we use an artificial kidney or dialyzer. So, the function of or the working of dialyzer is to remove the nitrogenous waste like urea, ammonia from the blood of a patient. So, what is the need of this hemodialysis? Why we need this process or technique? You all know that the function of kidney is to remove all the waste product from the blood. But when in case of the damage to the kidney due to some injuries or diabetes or excess blood pressure or infection, the kidney they fail to work properly. So in that case, we can carry out or we can remove the accumulated waste product in the blood through the technique of hemodialysis by using the apparatus, that is artificial kidney or dialyzer. But there is also maybe another case in which one kidney is damaged. So in that case, the another kidney is it is sufficient to carry out all the function of the body. So when both the kidneys of a patient they got damaged, so we have to follow this technique, that is hemodialysis. So what is the mechanism of actually a hemodialysis or hemodialyzer or dialyzer or artificial kidney? So what is the mechanism of this dialyzer? So come look at here. This is the hand of a patient and this is the artery and this is the vein. So in this technique, actually what happens, in a dialyzer there is a tank present and in this tank there are many tubes present, and these tubes are surrounded by a semi-permeable cellophane membrane, and the function of this membrane, it selectively pass the nitrogenous waste product like ammonia, urea, uric acid from the blood to the dialyzing solution. So come, and this dialyzing solution, here the tank is filled with dialyzing solution. So the tubes are also suspended in this solution, and the membrane that is bounded to these tubes, they will pass or selectively pass the nitrogenous waste through the process of diffusion to the dialyzing solution, and only the large sized proteins they will be remaining in the blood. So look, this is the artery and this is the vein. So at first the blood from the artery of a patient, it will take into the dialyzing tank, which is filled with the dialyzed solution. After this process, then the diffusion process of the nitrogenous waste product into the dialysing solution will be occur, and the dialyzed blood only contain the proteins. So here the dialysing solution, now it is filled with the nitrogenous waste like ammonia and urea, etc., and they will pass to the another bottle. This is the used dialysing solution which contains the nitrogenous waste, and here in the tubes there is only the dialyzed blood, and this dialyzed blood and they will again return to the vein of the patient. And here this is the whole process of hemodialysis, and this total technique it takes about 3 to 4 hours, and this circle it will repeat again and again many times, and after the completion of 3 to 4 hours of dialysis, the blood it will get purified and there is no nitrogenous waste present in the blood. And one thing, that the dialysing solution that is present in this tank, it is same as that of the osmotic pressure of the blood, except that it contains the nitrogenous waste product. So this is the whole process technique of hemodialysis. After this hemodialysing process, it should be repeat 3 to 4 times in a week. So this was the all about the hemodialysis, and through this process a patient can survive some long time. So thank you for today.